As a real estate personal trainer, the number one question I always get from my clients is, Mike, what kind of gym exercises can I do to support my real estate career? Join me today as we explore 16 of my favorite workouts that will enhance your real estate gains. Today, we'll be working out our pipes and our pipeline. I always arrive ahead of my workout time to greet people arriving at the gym and in the locker room. The first workout I like to call house tours. 3 to 4 minutes is usually fine, and then we move right on to property tours. Signings aren't my favorite workout, but they'll ensure your forearms are ready when you get that listing and an offer. This next exercise is easily one of my favorites. I call them installs. I always superset my installs with open house lunges. Demanding but necessary workout. Our showing requests give it your all. This exercise is worth it. Up and downs will ensure you're ready for the negotiation process. Now, with a successful offer in place, we're going to move on to inspection workouts. We have down lows, eaves, oven pulls, I call this workout behind the fridge. Septic lids, and finally, cupboard pulls. And if the inspection goes well, you might just be sold and we can move on to the congrats claps. Your job's not over yet, Realtor. We still have moving day and U-Hauls. And don't forget, we need to leave that home in broom swept condition. And finally, let's cool down with some commission curls.